Welcome to the video preview for the Student Budgeting Workshop. This was a bonus resource offered originally with the College Prep 101 Clueless to Confident flagship digital course that I offer for parents and students. This workshop is completely standalone. You don't have to have it in order to be successful in the college application process, but it definitely helps students become more independent in that financial realm of their life. So let me give you a tour of what's inside. When you first log in, you'll see a couple different links up here at the top. This resources page is a link to a website of a bunch of free resources on the internet that are compiled into one page that I have found super helpful that can aid in the college application and financial aid process. Over here is my library. So if you have multiple courses by me, this is kind of your home page to get back to any of those. The contact page gives you a quick contact guide of how to get in contact with me. Over here on the right has my other contact information. Send me an email, send me a text, or call me and I'll get back to you. Here is a welcome video. And it tells you what to expect and what to do. To start, you can either click this. It usually says, let's get started if you haven't started yet, or jump back in if you've already started. You can also click on this link right here and it will bring you to everything that's inside. So there's an introduction, there is the actual presentation and the workshop right here, and then this is a walkthrough of the budgeting spreadsheet. So I'm going to show you each of these so you can see exactly what you're getting. You'll notice that the presenter in here is actually my husband, who is very passionate about budgeting and shares a lot of expertise. This is a welcome video that introduces the topic, and in here it tells you exactly what you're going to be able to download over here under the download. So you can download this whole video from the introduction, you can download the audio from it, and then he mentions a budgeting template. It's an Excel spreadsheet, and you can download that right here, or you can download it in the section that you actually use it. So once you move on to the actual presentation, here it is. I'm going to fast forward so you can see there are slides that he goes through. You can download the video, the audio, and the slides. And then once you make it through that, here is the section all about the Student Budgeting Workshop Excel template. It's really awesome. I'm going to show you what that template looks like as well, but you can download it again here. And this video is going to walk you through exactly how to use it. So it has pre-populated formulas and it calculates a lot of the math for you. So even if you're not a math person, it does not mean that you don't have to be a budgeting person. So here's that spreadsheet. When you download it, there are all these tabs in here about how to budget in college, how to budget after college if you have debt that you're trying to reduce, how to budget after college when you're focusing on your savings, and then scheduling out your upcoming paychecks. And a lot of these sheets talk to each other. So when you put in information in one place, it generates it into another place. And you can totally edit and customize the spreadsheet to meet your needs. And remember, this section walks you through exactly how to use the spreadsheet and what it means and where you should put things. So again, this is a student budgeting workshop. It's short and sweet. It has an introduction, about a 15-minute video here and a 15-minute video here. If you decide that you want to take this a step further and not just do budgeting, but also get some help along with the college application process, the College Prep 101 Clueless to Confident course is offered as a full-blown digital course with all of the modules that you'll see on my website included. If you decide after doing the student budgeting workshop that you want to try a module just from College Prep 101, you're welcome to do that. Or if you just want to jump into College Prep 101, within 1 year, if you've purchased a workshop or one of the other mini courses, I will refund that workshop or mini course when you choose to take College Prep 101 within a year. Because I understand the financial investment in something like that, and I understand if you wanted to get your feet wet and see my teaching style or what the inside of this course actually looked like. So send me an email if you have any questions, or just go back to this main website and you can go to the checkout page and you can purchase the Student Budgeting Workshop. Thanks.